Welcome you all. Hope you people are doing good. Today we are going to give you unbiased review on the website that is clothroad.com. So if you are curious to know about this website, watch this unbiased review. It will help you to know about either this is a legit or a scam store. So let's check out the details. This is a web portal that present miscellaneous collection of products such as ethnic wears, t-shirts, footwears, cosmetics, kids toys, home decor, etc. Like this website is offering reasonable discount on every product. It is a place where you can shop everything for yourself, your kids, and buy home decor things. It is online store or marketplace where buyers can easily sign in, but they have not mentioned their official address. It was created on 20th July 2021, like it is recently created domain. As far as contact number is concerned, they have not mentioned their contact details on their official portal. The email address which they have mentioned is somehow matching the domain name, and it is a positive sign. As a customer, you can cancel the order before the order has been dispatched. The positive point of shopping from clothroad.com are it is offering miscellaneous products with a discount. Various modes of payments are available on the web portal. The return, refund, exchange policy is stated. The website is SSL secured. The shortcomings of clothroad.com are the web portal is too new and its age is only 8 days. Its trust score is just 1%. Contact address and phone number are missing from their official portal. The web portal not revealing the information about the site owner on the web portal. No feedbacks are available. So the question may arises in your mind, is clothroad.com is legit? So as we are discussing certain parameters to check out its credibility, so we are going into depth. As far as its Alexa ranking is concerned, it is failed to get rank. It means it has not sufficient buyers. It has content which is plagiarized up to 67%. Moreover, the web portal is revealing all policies like return, refund, exchange, and replacement. Trust score is just 1%. Recently created portal, and it releases before some days, so no review are available on the site or on any other online portal. As there are no review available on the web portal because it is registered before some days, so it is not having any more buyers on the site, and the trust score, as we have discussed, is extremely poor, so it is creating distrust towards the site. As per Alexa, the site is not performing up to the mark, so it failed to get any ranking on the site before. So if you are interested to shop, we are not recommending you at all to buy anything from this store because it is not a trustworthy web portal. Moreover, if any one of you having experience of shopping from this store, please do share your personal experience with us. We love to hear from you.